If you're a Jamaican living outside of Jamaica and you have a 5-year passport, this video is for you. Hi, I am Gail. I own 876 Documents. I help Jamaicans overseas apply for a passport, birth certificate, marriage certificate, TRN, driver's license, Jamaican citizenship, just to name a few. If you are living overseas and you have a 5-year passport, whether you are a minor or a minor getting a first adult passport, please know your application will take more than 3 months. I say this all the time and I get the question all the time. It is more than 3 months. It is shocking. You're not in Jamaica. What applies in Jamaica does not apply overseas. And it doesn't matter what country you're in. It doesn't matter what city you're in. It is pretty much the same no matter where you are. Now, the next question I always get is, do I have to go to the consulate? It is getting noisy. If you have a 5-year passport to renew, you do not have to go to the consulate. But it depends on where you live. In the UK, you have to go into the High Commission if you are renewing a minor passport. There are a couple other embassies that ask that you come in person, but it all depends on where you live. Washington, D.C. asks that you come in person, but it's not feasible because they are responsible for Washington State and California, and persons who live in these states are not able to go in. However, send your application in. If they do require you to come in, then they will tell you, but it's not likely. So, if you have a 5-year passport and you're getting your first adult passport, you do not have to go in person. People keep telling me that they hear this and they believe, they want to know if it's true. This is not true. You do not have to go in person if you have a 5-year getting your first adult passport. But some minor passports are required to be done in person. It all depends on where you live. Remember, there are Jamaicans all over the world, consulates and embassies all over the world, and each one has their own requirements. I am Gail. Give us a call if you need assistance with your application. We answer all your questions. Let me say that again. Give us a call if you need assistance with your application. We can answer all your questions. I stuttered. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.